So my dear, let's start with our new chapter that we started yesterday, the clothes we wear. आपको समझ आ गया वो chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's quickly read that chapter. There are 3 types of season we have studied about, that are summer, winter and rainy. Is it so? 3 seasons के लिए हमने पढ़ा था. Summer जब बहुत hot होता है, in that we wear woolen clothes. What type of clothes do we wear in summer? Cotton clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. And we hold an umbrella in our hand. This is what we have studied yesterday. These are the clothes that we wear in summer. Usually see beta pink side, can you see? These are the cotton clothes. बहुत light होते हैं ये, बहुत हल्के clothes, and they keep us cool. Okay, summer clothes. Then let's start with the chapter. Chapter 5, the clothes we wear. See, this is a girl. Her name is Saina. What is her name? Saina. And she is sitting with her mother. ये अपनी मम्मा के साथ बैठी है. So what you will be using? Sweat. And cotton clothes are waterproof. I hope it is clear. Top, shorts, frock, anything. What they are wearing? Caps, gloves, boots, sweaters, jackets, socks. Okay, just keep learning the spellings as well. These are the kids. It is cold during winter, so we have to underline the word. They are holding umbrella in their hand. So when it rains, we wear a raincoat or hold an umbrella so that we do not get wet, ताकि हम गीले ना हो जाएं. So underline the word wet, underline the word umbrella, raincoat, gum boots and umbrella. Dry, so that our feet would get dry, ताकि हमारे feet गीले ना हो. Is it okay? Is it okay, my dear? Okay, now can you tell me what uniform is? क्या आप मैम को बता सकते हो what is uniform? Soldiers who fights on the border of a country, and nurse, huh? She, when we fall sick or she dresses up when we get any injury. Costumes. What is costume? That different place के different region के costumes vary, change करते हैं according to the climate. Is it okay? According to the climate. Is it clear? Fur from the body of animals, leather from the skin of dead animals, cotton from cotton. First we will be discussing the short question answers. Okay, short question answers पहले हम समझेंगे, read करेंगे, and then we will be copying them in our notebook. After copying, you have to learn them. Your heading will be, what will be your heading? Very short question answers. Then you will copy question 1. You will write this: what type of clothes we wear in summer season. Then you will write the answer in the next line. आप एक लाइन लीव करके इंग्लिश नोटबुक में बेसिकली जहाँ पे लाइंस होती हैं वहाँ पे राइट डाउन करते हैं. Then you will write in a new line cotton clothes. Let's come to the second question. What type of clothes we wear in winter season? ये भी आपको आता है. किस तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं विंटर्स में? Woolen clothes. Do not forget to write down the date and spellings आपको बहुत ध्यान से कॉपी करनी है and learn them carefully. Name some leather objects. Leather से क्या क्या बनता है? Belt, purse, bag, शूज. कैन यू टेल मी लेदर कहाँ से बनती है? फ्रॉम द स्किन ऑफ dead animals, right? You would be putting a tick, and if this statement is wrong, then you have to put a cross like this. This page is your homework, and we will be discussing these two pages tomorrow. यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मैच देम कि ये कॉस्ट्यूम है या यूनिफॉर्म है. सी, अगर आप वर्क पे जा रहे हो, अपने काम पे जा रहे हो, ओके, जॉब पे बेसिकली, एंड आप वहाँ पे वो क्लोथ्स पहनते हो, सो दैट इज अ यूनिफॉर्म. एंड अगर आप घर में या डेली में भी वही कपड़े पहनते हो, उसी तरह के कपड़े पहनते हो, सो दैट इज अ कॉस्ट्यूम. पुलिस यूनिफॉर्म और कॉस्ट्यूम वर्क पे पहनते हैं ना, यूनिफॉर्म. एंड ये साड़ी, ये आंटी तो डेली में भी ऐसी पहनेंगी, ये पार्टी में जाएंगी तो भी यही पहनेंगी, तो दिस इज अ कॉस्ट्यूम. दिस, ये ड्रेस, क्या कोई वर्क पे पहन के जाता है ऐसी ड्रेस? नो. सो दिस इज अ कॉस्ट्यूम. ये नर्स, हाँ, यूनिफॉर्म और कॉस्ट्यूम. You have to do it yourself. And if you are having any problem, you can call during school hours, not an issue. That is 9 to 2. I hope today's session is clear to everyone. If you are having any problem, you can ask.